Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to create and use macros on Motorola Edge Plus. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, search bar, and search up Automate. Now install the app. Now we can open the app, accept. Now I will just create a very short and basic macro just to show you all how to move around the app. So tap on the plus icon to create a new macro, and then tap on the plus icon to add blocks. We can add blocks like we'll just make a macro that if my battery is being charged, then it's going to create a timer, and at the end we need to add flow stop. Right, now connect all of this. Now we need to change properties of a timer because we like to add a 40-minute timer, and label is going to plug out, let's say. I'll save. Now we can tap here to change the name of our macro and tap on save. Now we can go back and then we can start our macro. So just hit on start. Now we'll need to grant permissions. So tap on grant, select automate, enable, and go back. Tap on grant. Okay. Disable, go back, and grant, allow. Now, as you can see, it has been started. So let's try and see what happens after I plug in my charger. And yeah, as you can see, a timer has started. I wonder what happens if I plug it another time, if it's going to start the second timer or remove the original one. No, I have two timers now. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.